A day in my life as a marketing student. Hi guys, this is Shannon, an online seller pagitera and a first-year marketing management student. So for today's video, I want to share with you yung mga kaganapan ng team ko and of course with my section during the Sustainability Runway Challenge here in Ateneo. But before that, a quick background lang about this project. As discussed by our professor in STS, right now daw, yung global fashion industry ay nasa critical crossroads. Imagine ang bilis ng growth niya pero kapalit nun ay sobrang bigat ng environmental at social cost. Lalo na dahil sa fast fashion yung system na basically take, make, and dispose. Dahil dito, fashion has become one of the most polluting industries in the world. And hindi lang siya ecological issue, ethical crisis din siya. Sabi nga ni Pope Francis sa Laudato Si, kailangan nating alagaan ng ating common home kasi lahat ng ginagawa natin sa environment ay bumabalik sa atin. Kaya naman itong Sustainability Runway Challenge, hindi lang siya basta fashion show, it is about shifting from a harmful linear mindset to a circular economy. Yung konseptong inuulit, nire-reuse at minamaximize ang materials para hindi makasira ng environment. In short, this project is reminding us to ask the big question, so what? Make it matter. Ibig sabihin, kung gagawa ka rin lang ng something, gawin mo ng may purpose at may impact. And ayan, tapos na nga akong ayusan, and this is my tentative look with my runway outfit. And yes, we are here in Savor Hall, and dito na nga nila ako inaayusan ng mga dapat pang ilagay sa aking damit. At kung makikita nyo naman, ay hands-on talaga silang lahat. And dito na nga yung stage kung saan kami magsa-showcase ng products. And at this time, introducing of judges na. This is the judge number 1. Judge number 2, and Judge number 3. And after some opening remarks, ay nag-start na yung fashion runway namin. So this is the first section na showcases their sustainability products. And sumunod ang section namin. And this time yung section namin, and itong nagmamodel ay BG11 Team 1. Ito naman ay BG11 Team 2. And this one is BG11 Team 3. And our Dalagang Pilipina from BG11 Team 4. And of course, the last group of our section, BG11 Team 5.
BG11 Team 5! Our piece showcases how to cut the materials that transform into something purposeful and bold. Made entirely from unused old setting, this 2-in-1 design shifts effortlessly from the vest to a shoulder bag, proving that fashion can adapt your needs while reducing waste. It is wearable, inclusive, and novel-crafted for anyone regardless of gender or style, with adjustable features that ensure comfort, function, and expression. Every detail reflects structural craftsmanship, giving you life to take. Also, the runway dress inspired by the creativity found in Uber transformation. This piece carries the story of repurpose, new function, and meaningful design. It reminds us that sustainability is not a trend, it is a responsibility. Because remember, this is more than upcycling. This is a new chapter written with what remains.
Ayan, na 'di ba bongga? So this time naman ay runway rundown na ng first batch of models. this time ay nag-iikot na yung ating mga judges para tingnan yung mga sustainability products na tig-showcase. And dito nga kinikilig ako dahil ako yung unang nilapitan ni Judge number 1. And siguro chinek niya lang yung mga tahe. And after that, sinabi niya, quote in quote, magayunan siya. Kaya naman kilig ako dyan hanggang sa makababa na ako. But of course, wala yung ganyang design and wala yung ganyang idea without these people. Especially with our main designers, Angela, Lance, and Dorothy. And with that, I would really conclude that this group is a powerhouse. Kasi lahat tumutulong, lahat may initiative, and lahat may idea. And syempre, everyone gives a 100% effort and time. So kung gusto ninyong makita yung compilation videos ng journey namin sa paggawa ng sustainability products, tingnan nyo na lang dito sa account ko. So, ayan na nga. This time ay tapos na yung second batch. And dito nag-award na ng special award. They only have 2 special awards, which is the runway icon for female and male category.
The winner is BG1135! Asan sila? Ano? BG? Ayaw ba?
So, ayan. Ito nga yung pinaka-memorable for this event. So, bakit nga ba late yung reaction namin? Kasi nasanay kami na ang tawag sa section namin is BG11 and not BG11. Kaya naman nung nirethink ko sa utak ko yung sinabi ng host, doon ko na-realize na kami yung tinawag. And for the runway icon male category, sa second batch naman yung tinawag. And this time, tinatawag na yung top 10 out of 40 ata, less than or more than 40. So dito ay tinawag yung section namin. Hindi namin masyadong narinig kung anong team. Some of my group mates ang sabi, team 5 daw. Pero ako, ang pagdinig ko, team 4.
BG1135!
And ayan, BG11 Team 4 is the top 6. At ang group namin ay tinawag naman as top 3.
BG11 Team 5!
At pakababa nga namin ay nagsisigaw na naman kami kasi tinawag ang BG11 Team 1 as top 2. So overall, ang section namin ay nakakuha ng 4 na award. At yan lang for today's video. Bye-bye!